MONTCO Connect provides the ability to directly message other users. By clicking the Messages icon in the top right corner, you are able to send or receive direct messages. If you click the New Message icon, you have the ability to start a one-on-one conversation or a group chat among multiple users. If someone has sent you a direct message, the direct message icon includes the number of messages waiting. To ensure that you never miss a message, you can alter your notification settings. You have the option to have message notifications sent to your email. Navigate to and click the User Options icon in the upper right-hand corner of MONTCO Connect, then click Account Settings. Next, click the Notifications tab. Click the icon that looks like a pencil to change the notification settings for each of the options listed. Here you can select to receive notifications, push notifications on mobile, and if preferred, email.